Welcome to MyAccessoriesTrench, your go-to channel for smart, stylish, and practical accessories. Today, we're diving into the 5 best magnetic wireless charging car mounts that combine convenience, innovation, and sleek design. Say goodbye to fumbling with wires and hello to hassle-free charging on the go. Each mount we showcase is a game changer, and you'll find links in the description to grab your favorite one. Ready to make driving smarter and stress-free? Let's jump in. At number 5 is ESR Magnetic Wireless Car Charger. Did you know? The ESR Magnetic Wireless Car Charger can charge your Galaxy S25 just as fast as an official MagSafe charger, thanks to its intelligent heat management. Yes, you heard that right. No overheating, no delays, just fast, efficient power while you're on the go. Let's dive into why this might just be your next must-have car accessory. The powerful magnets on this charger deliver an impressive 1,400 G of holding force, meaning your Galaxy S25 stays secure, even on bumpy roads. Paired with a non-slip silicone ring, it's built for those who value safety and style. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising the highway, it offers effortless portrait-to-landscape switching with just one hand. Perfect for those quick GPS adjustments. With a robust vent clip and support arm, the ESR Magnetic Wireless Charger stays rock solid, even on rough terrain. Plus, the included dashboard anchor adds another layer of reliability. You get everything you need, except for a car adapter. But the 3.3 feet USB-A to USB-C cable is long enough for flexible setups. Pair it with an ESR Halo Lock case for maximum compatibility. What do you think? Drop your thoughts below. On number 4 is Bothin phone holder. What if I told you there's a phone holder that's not just functional, but feels like it's tailored for your Galaxy S25? Meet the Bothin phone holder, a 3-in-1 magnetic wireless charging car mount that's about to revolutionize your on-the-go experience. Whether you prefer the windshield, dashboard, or air vent, this holder adapts effortlessly to your needs. The enhanced suction cup, with an incredible 50-pound hold, ensures it stays firmly in place, even in scorching heat. Plus, a quick rinse and air dry are all it takes to restore its sticky magic. Perfect for daily commutes or long rides. Equipped with multiple fast charging modes, 15 watt and 10 watt and 7.5 watt, this charger caters to Qi-enabled devices, including your Galaxy S25. Pair it with a QC3 adapter for peak performance and enjoy charging speeds that rival wired options. It's a seamless blend of power and practicality. Thanks to a 360 degrees ball joint and telescoping arm, you can adjust your phone to any angle, ensuring clear navigation without obstructing your view. Portrait or landscape? You decide. The suction is incredible, but remember, the QC adapter isn't included. What's your take? Share in the comments. At number 3 is Behaviour charging mount. Can a car charger truly redefine your driving experience? The Behaviour charging mount from Mazda CX-5 proves it can. Tailored specifically for the 2017 to 2024 Mazda CX-5, it's more than a wireless charger. It's a seamless addition to your car's functionality. Let's see why this might be the perfect match for your Galaxy S25. Designed exclusively for the Mazda CX-5, this magnetic wireless car mount blends effortlessly with your car's interior. Its LED energy-saving ring isn't just a design feature. It's a thoughtful touch, offering subtle illumination for nighttime driving. Perfect for navigation or hands-free calls, it keeps your Galaxy S25 securely in place with no interference to signals or battery health. This charging mount powers up all Qi-enabled devices, including your Galaxy S25, while doubling as a sturdy phone holder. Whether you're on a road trip or a quick errand, it ensures your device stays charged without fumbling with cords. While it's a stellar fit from Mazda CX-5, it's not compatible with older models. Plus, you'll need a smooth phone case for optimal magnetic attachment. On number 2 is Joyroom Holder Vent. Did you know your phone can charge faster while staying cool, even on rough roads? Meet the Joyroom Holder Vent, a magnetic wireless car charger designed to make your Galaxy S25 or any MagSafe compatible phone feel right at home in your car. First up, the official Tora TC heat dissipation tech is a standout. No more worrying about overheating during long drives. Pair that with 15W full-speed wireless charging, and your Galaxy S25 stays powered through navigation, calls, or music streaming, all while protecting your battery health. What truly sets this apart? The 16 military-grade N52 magnets. With a maximum weight capacity of 2.2 kilograms, your phone stays rock solid, no matter how bumpy the road. Say goodbye to wobbles and hello to a distraction-free drive. Its triangular fixing design is a game changer, fitting 99% of vertical and horizontal vents. From sedans to SUVs, this mount keeps your phone stable and within reach, making it one of the best magnetic wireless charging car mounts available today. Don't forget to peel off the protective film for optimal performance. Have you tried it yet? Let us know your thoughts below. Now moving to the last one, LISEN Car Charger. Can a car mount feel like it's made for luxury? The LISEN Car Charger isn't just functional, it's a statement piece. With its premium zinc alloy body and powerful magnetic grip, this is more than a charger. It's a driving companion for your Galaxy S25 or any MagSafe compatible phone. Let's explore what makes it stand out. Crafted entirely from zinc alloy, this charger exudes class and durability. Unlike plastic alternatives, it resists scratches and high temperatures, so it won't warp or fade over time. It's a mount that looks as good as your Galaxy S25, even after countless road trips. The strongest magnet force in its class can hold up to 12 iPhone 16 Pro Max devices. That's some serious power. Your Galaxy S25 will stay firmly in place, whether you're navigating bumpy roads or making sharp turns. Thanks to its multi-adjustment design and Nano 3M adhesive pad, the LISEN Car mount offers unmatched stability. Tested to withstand extreme temperatures and heavy loads, it's reliable in every situation. Sleek, durable, and secure, it's one of the 5 best magnetic wireless charging car mounts. What do you think? Let's chat below. So guys, this was the video about the 5 best magnetic wireless charging car mounts. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.